Hey guys, what's happening? And today I have cat drama. I do. I have cat drama. Hey! I'll set y'all up right. Oh, you growling. I'll set y'all up right. And this. And that's what she gotta say. Okay, that's enough for you. Okay. And this is Paint. He's gonna be staying with us for a while. He might even be staying. He might. I love him to death, and I hope he does. But if she's gonna act all like, I hate everyone, then we probably can't. There's pants, there's socks. He's not making noise. Everyone just be nice in the comments if y'all do comment. Just please be nice in the comments. Like, look, it's just this tiny little kitten. He's super sweet. She over here is being so mean. Yeah, this girl is like 1 year old. This is like a year old of cats. And probably so is he. So I don't get why they just can't be friends. Don't make me fight you. She's gonna do this for a while. Trying to get a good hiss in. I don't care if we're mad or not. I'm still gonna give you 11s. There we go. That's enough of socks while she's being over there, but bath. There's a little bit to kiss guy, the little kitty. He's so sweet. Like, he goes to sleep real fast. Guys, he's sleeping. I'll check on him in a second. Back to socks. Are you still angry, Iris? Yeah. That's probably a yes, but I'm still getting mess with that. I don't care if you're mad, I'm still gonna mess with you. Push all the noises out. Yes, that's enough of her. I still only have my phone, and so it's very hard to film. I knew y'all. Okay, all the cat haters, just get out of here. Cat haters, get out. Okay? Because it's been a while since I posted cats on my videos. They're probably like, what? It has? I mean, I can see cats in your videos all the time. Yeah, maybe in the background, but not featuring them like this. Speak. Yeah, you're gonna speak. Now, my cats are not talking cats, and I cannot make them talk. She's super mean right now. Okay, so now we're just gonna leave her alone. Just like so. Cat. No cat. Just gonna leave her there. He's so pretty cool. He's so sweet. No, that's all for now, guys. I'm out.